Hey guys, back again with the Turbo Falcon, and in this episode we're putting on some Plazmaman Hotside piping on. So yes, over the last month or so we've been upgrading the piping and blow-off valves and stuff like that, just to, get the engine running as best as it can go. And the only stock bit of piping we have left is the hot side piping down underneath there that goes from the bottom of the turbo to the front of the intercooler. So I thought, why not, we may as well finish it off. We've already got Plazmaman cold side piping, which I bloody love, so we may as well finish off the other side. But before we get into that, I thought I'd show you guys what we've done off camera. And we've replaced the stud, the bolts that go into the head that holds the manifold on. They were like 16mm things that were a bit harder to get to. So I went for a Mumba kit and replaced them with the studs. They have Nordlock washers, and pretty much you can get to every single bolt relatively easy with a 11mm ringy or a 12mm socket. So yeah, if there was any horsepower coming from not having a perfect seal, it's back there now. And also you might notice the heat shields all painted up and looking a lot nicer. But yeah, I thought I'd do that. But yeah, now back into the hot side piping. So here's the hot side piping from Plazmaman. I was going to go with black, but it's $60 extra and we're not actually going to ever see these. They're hidden behind the bumper and underneath the turbo, so I went for the raw finish with the black joiners. Should be sweet. So yeah, we'll get the front bumper off and we'll get into it and we'll get this stuff on. Alright, so we got her up on the stands. Just show you what we've got going on originally. This part was out of the cheap eBay kit. All this is stuff we'll be moving on to one of my mate's subscribers who he's doing his kit. But yeah, not a lot of footage of actually where these run, so I thought I'll show you while we're here. See, the stock pipe goes up and then goes up over the support there, and then it goes up to the turbo, if you can see that in there, hopefully. But yeah, we'll rip that off and then we can start replacing it with the good stuff. Basic shape of it, so it'll just be a matter of piecing the new ones together in a similar shape and trying to get them in there. So let's get into it. Start off with, we'll just be putting the rubber up the turbo there. Next part, feed it around to the front. There we have it. Hot side piping is on. give it a bit of a clean up. She'll be sweet. But if we want to go under here and have a look, we can. As you can see, comes around, pops over the top, comes up underneath, up towards the turbo. Too lovely. So there we have it. The Plazmaman Hotside piping is on, which completes... Hey man, you don't have to whine all the time. But yeah, that completes the Plazmaman piping setup I've got going on. A few of you guys have been asking if I'm going to do anything with the paint, and yes I am. This is a 2-year-old spray can job that's just been buffed the crap out of a while ago. But yeah, I've got some more stuff coming cosmetically. A few more things in the engine. But thanks for watching. Until the next one, see you later.